You go ahead, babe. Right behind you. Beautiful. Look at her, man. Right on the side of a mountain here. Sorry for yelling in the camera, guys. If I holler in the camera sometimes. I had to take my Senna 30K out of this helmet because it was killing my ears. So I'm going to give that one to my wife to put into her helmet. There's a new helmet that I'm going to buy her too. Is going to be, I'm going to make sure it supports Bluetooth systems. So that way me and her can communicate. And I don't have to yell. This is some awesome riding here. I look forward to coming here a lot this winter.
Pick a good line.
Just full send, bro.
If that was paved, I'd go right for it.
Let me show you. You can do my Graham Jarvis. Let's go back down it, guys. That's nothing. I should have been in second gear, but I wanted to hit it in first to know what it was like. But I really should have been in second. It gets a little gnarly where you can't see it. There's some pretty gnarly angles, and where it turns are like kind of like off camber or whatever you'd call it. But it's no big deal at all. Full of traction. Full of traction. Don't jump on these. She's hitting them hard bumps. Did we go this way earlier? We might have. We might not have. I don't honestly remember. We were up on this side though. I'd like to hit. We didn't come up this trail though because I don't remember that. Stay on the gas. Pretty good little hill right there. She's got it no problem. No problem for her at all. It's awesome. Send it over all that. You know, my wife is the best. I'll tell you, man. Gas it, gas, 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 gas. Beautiful, babe. Man. I don't think many people would realize that this is her second day back on the dirt. You guys want to see what happens when you got good traction on the 250L? Look at this. Wheelie. Pulling it up. Good traction, no clutch. I want to get my wife going down this hill. It's a very good hill. This hill is intense. Look at this hill, guys. The camera, again, probably makes it look like we're just riding straight. We're not riding straight. Not riding straight at all. It's a gnarly hill. See, again, like I was saying before, guys, if you guys stand up in this, you wouldn't think it, but it's a lot easier to control. It's a lot easier. You wouldn't think it, again. I'm teaching my wife that now. She's got this hill no problem. No problem at all. Look at this. It's a good little hill. It's got some decent incline on it. Nothing too crazy, but good for her. Hey, and if it don't look too bad, keep going. Second gear. It's getting it, man. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Come on, Bob. It's not bad at all. Here goes Bob. Bob's gonna get it. There goes Bob. No big deal. Hey, babe, you gonna do it? Thanks, man. Yeah, I told you, dude. It's not bad at all. It just looks bad because it's so far away, but it's actually not bad at all. I'm gonna hit it on her bike. Nothing, guys. Super easy. And now look, so you guys can see. Look at this. I want you guys to see this hill the 250L just conquered. Look at this, man. You're literally on top of a mountain. That's awesome though. We're gonna hit it again. Look at this. Look at this. Time to get a photo of me and the bike. Hey! Let's go back down it. Coming down these hills. Ooh, that's the scariest part. I stalled the bike out. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, coming down that was pretty sketchy. It's all good. It's nothing. This bike likes to fishtail on the tire, so as long as you using first gear as a brake, you're really fine. Yeah. It's like, it's almost kind of like hitting the coal hills, man. It's kind of what it's like. We're gonna hit it straight on. When you're riding in this mulch, it's really kind of like you're hitting the coals. Whoa, you gotta go up that way, which is kind of weird. Let's do it. I'm gonna write it down. Whew. I tried to cut. Dude, it got loose though, man. It got super, super loose. Try to get you guys a little bit of footage of this section right here. This looks like this could be a pretty decent little track right here to ride. And we'll see how the wife does on it. See, no big deal. Super easy. There you go. Stay to the right. Stay to the right. Give it gas. It was a rock. Went right over a rock. It's no big deal. Awesome. You got it, babe. Just roll. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very neat. I don't know where it spit us out at, but yeah, man, look at this berm, bro. Like, I'd like to catch that berm. Yeah. Look at this. Damn, babe, you're moving. Picking up the pace.